this video, we're going to remove the fender, remove the plate mount, my under fender light, this light, and get it ready. As you can see, there's a mark right here that we need to drill a hole, and I have to do it with a center punch. Hello, Fuzzball. You get stuff in your nose. Yes, I love you. Okay, go on, go down. This one is also 3M coated, so we don't have to worry about him banging it with his leash. As you can see, his nice little leash. There's you probably can't see. There's a mark right there, but that's on the 3M. I am going to end up repainting all of the paintables on this thing, so we're not exactly too worried. So here, so I kind of cheated. These are already pre-undone from a previous adventure. I'm not sure if it looks like the electronics are all undone. So I do believe I completely and utterly cheated. So I kind of cheated you guys out. But yeah, this is a zip tie I was talking about. That there's screws down in here. I'm gonna have to buy another one of those. But it holds up this wiring here. And I was on a ride with a friend where it previously wasn't held up, and it ripped it right out. Bike still runs though, just you have no signals in the lights. So, all right, let's get on to disassembly and punching. So we have a couple things going on here. What you see right here is a Radiance under fender brake and signal light. As you can see, it's got LEDs in this Lexan. Works quite well. I need to rewire it. I don't like how it is. I gotta buy some wiring harness so I clip it in properly. Right now it's in with spikes that I don't like. One of the neat little things I've done here is if you take a piece of leather belt for mounting your license plate, it'll stop that vibration breakthrough. On the other side, once you hit about, 55, 60 miles per hour or 70 to 100 kilometers an hour, it kind of floats. Looky what I found. Okay, so we take this, we set this just a little bit here. This way we can set the fender down underneath. And it doesn't stick out, but we'll just readjust. Okay, that one's not gonna work. Not a problem. Option 2. So option 2. I think it will. Oh, cool. Okay, let's take this way. Yeah, that's the problem. What I was expecting. You see the height difference. You don't gotta hit it crazy hard. One good shot. Now, my main question now, remember I mentioned I got a 3M coating? Is it through the 3M or not? That one's through the 3M. You can feel a dot on the inside. And now we go over to this side. I'm entirely sure I have enough drill bits for this particular endeavor. And this is a maybe. See, there's some aluminum washers that go on here for the original factory mount. And what I've done is I bought another set for here, along with, I think I bought the right bolts. I don't remember, I gotta look in the saddlebags or something. And we will see. So they all mount up really nice. And maybe today I'll put the saddlebags on as a test demonstration. Alright. Now your first thought is to blow that off, which is like, you know, but you don't want to aerosol all that metal. You'll be breathing it, which is not in your best interest. Now, I've been thinking here, and I am going to bump it up from the 3/8 to the 13 seconds, because when I get it painted, it's going to seal up the hole a little bit, and I still want the clearance. So this is gonna give that. Woo! And that little bit cleared up all the burrs on the backside. So that's surprisingly nice. And the hole doesn't look that bad. That's because we did a center punch and it didn't walk away. Voila! 2 holes, and they look to be in the exact same position. Nice. And I didn't dent the fender. I did, however, drop it earlier.